Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are enjoying my video.
And do you know what I'm going to show you today?
Monster trucks! Welcome to Prayan's world.
What are these?
Monster trucks.
Oh.
I got this one
Huh?
and I already have this one. And this one, I already have this one and this one.
Whoa.
But I don't have this one. Monster trucks are big cars that has giant wheels.
Giant wheels.
Even bigger than a van. And even bigger than a massive car.
Wow. So how does this work?
It doesn't need batteries.
It doesn't.
Look.
Whoa. These have really different wheels. Can you tell about the wheels?
The wheels are, this monster truck has wheels with spikes. So it can grip to solid rocks.
Solid rocks? Does it grip to solid rocks?
Yes. Its spikes are very, very sharp. They can just dig into the rocks. But the shovel can't.
Shovel cannot.
No.
Ooh.
Because it's very, very hard. See,
Yeah.
like the floor is hard.
Yes, the floor is hard.
And you can see,
Okay.
not crumbling.
Yes.
When it goes through deserts and rocks, then it can grip to it and it can go into it and we can see treasure to rocks.
What else does the monster truck do?
It can do some tricks. It can leap over, it can jump over, it can do like this when it climbs up. And when this is its engine,
This is its engine.
it just needs fuel.
Okay.
But this doesn't need fuel
Why?
because it's just a toy.
What are the names of these four monster trucks?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay.
And what's a dog?
Roger Dojo.
Which one is this?
This is Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Dog. And what's this one?
What's this one?
I don't know.
It's 68.
And this one?
And this is a multicolor.
And which name is this one?
Let me check. So it says Hot Wheels Monster Truck. What's his name? Oh, the name is not written, so we can name it anything. Let's name this Blue Hill.
Blue Hill.
Yeah.
And this one?
This one as it has a lock and key and it has a 68. So let's name this as Roger Dojo.
No. Speed Breaker.
Speed Breaker. Okay.
And this is Lord Breaker.
Lord Baker.
And this is Redstone.
Redstone. Okay.
Green Red Straw.
Green Red Straw. Okay.
Please subscribe